Hi guys. Alright, so this is the modeling clay. It is white and a little bit hard, but if you play with it a little bit more, it will get easier to use. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is tear off some pieces to make my person. The person's head is going to be a ball, and you roll it in between your hands like this, your palms, back and forth into a circular motion, and then you can create a ball. Okay. The body of the person is going to be a coil. You roll back and forth in your hands in the palm of your hand, and here will be the body of the person. To make arms and legs, you roll a coil in your whole hand going back and forth like this to make coils, and this can be split into two equal parts for arms. Make another set of coils that are a little bit bigger for the legs. Again, rolling back and forth and in my hand or on the table, and split in the middle. Alright, check your proportion. Are these legs long enough for this body, or do they need to be a little bit longer? I think they need to be a little bit longer. So I'm going to roll them out a little bit more. Make sure they're even. And then squish them into the clay body so that they stay. You can pinch up a little bit of a neck and put your person in there. I have some tools for you to use. There's a piece of paper clip that is for carving different designs. You can also press your finger in to make faces or other marks. You can try and make a hand, the ball of the hand or the palm of the hand, and then I'll pinch out a few fingers. We can roll fingers out too. That might be easier, to roll little coils to make fingers. This is kind of tricky, trying to make teeny tiny pieces. Alright, and then you can pull them off and put them on. Well, just add some more details to your human, and then you can make an animal. It's the same way as making the person. You tear off pieces for their arms, body, head, and any other details that they have, like tails or beaks or anything like that. There's my person's hand. Put that on there. He's gonna wave to you. Good job. Alright, have fun with the clay today. Be safe. It stays in your hand or on the table. When cleaning up, please put the tools away back in their correct spot. Take your sculpture and the rest of your clay and ball it into a nice ball so that the next person can use it and put it back in the bin. Thanks. Good job.